In this video, we will learn how to use the Shop module in Getshop Today platform. To start using the Shop module, I will first take a column, and for present demonstration purposes, I'm choosing 12. Now let's click on Add Module, and then on Shop module. Here I can set the title All Products, or you can write Products, or whatever title you choose according to your needs. And now let's click on Save, and then on Update. Once I go to the front end and refresh, then I can see these 4 products that came up from our original shop. Here we have an option to change the style. Let's now go back to the admin panel. I'll click on Edit. Here you can see the number of rows, so let's click here. If we select the number of rows as 2, then the number of products in a row will be 4. So if there are 2 rows of 4 products in a row, that means there will be a total of 8 products here. You can adjust this. In this case, I want to display only 3 products in each row. Now, let's see how it looks like. So let's click on Save, and when we refresh, we can see that this product's thumbnail becomes a little bit bigger. There are now 2 rows of the product. You can actually change here the display box of this product. To do that, let's go back to the admin panel, and again, click on Edit. Now, here you can see the product box style option. Let's choose Style 1, and let's click on Save. Go back to the front end. We can see here that for the time being, the default product box style is used here, but if you refresh, the new one will appear. Now it looks like this. This is the way how you achieve some variations when you are designing a website. So, let's see what else is in this module. Let's click on Edit again. Here in the admin panel, you can see the property settings. In property settings, you can set the product border color. Let's say I'm going to choose dark red. Now let's click on Choose and then click Yes. Now if you refresh the page, you can see that this border has become red now. Also here in the admin panel, you can see many other useful functions such as margin and lazy loading, admin name and others. I hope this tutorial has given you an overall idea of how the Shop module works in Getshop Today. Thanks for watching!